Well, the kids are working hard in practice every day. My job and my goal right now is to make sure they're not taking things for granted. I saw that a little bit in the scrimmage we just had with Emmanuel. We ended up winning by 2 points, but it's not my main concern. My main concern is that we play hard and we play well and we play up to our expectations, not play up to the opponent's expectations.
We got like 10 returning veterans. We got guys like Jake, guys like Marcus. I mean, it's made the beginning process a lot faster, but we also have a lot of new guys, so it's more getting them on board faster with our pace because we're already up to last pace this season. So that's probably been the toughest part. We're not really starting fresh, but we are trying to get the new freshman guys or even some transfers up to pace, and that's really the hardest thing so far.
It's going to be a new season. We got to keep doing what we brought over from last season and just keep working hard. We got to bring the new guys aboard and just keep stepping forward, playing against LEC.
And every team has a personality. I'm fortunate that I have Jake Ashworth on my team this year because he's got that personality that if you were to come for an hour of practice and watch our practice and then come for the second hour, and he wasn't here for the first hour but was here for the second hour, there's a whole different level of intensity because he's like having a coach out there on the court and having a peer of the other players encouraging, like we try to do as coaches, really lifts their enthusiasm up. And he wants to win as bad as anybody, so the kids are trying to live up to his expectations, so they pick up their intensity a little bit. So teams in the past that I've had that won consecutive championships, they had that type of player on it, and everybody else tried to live up to his expectations.
Defensively, we definitely got to tighten up. 2 scrimmages, we've let up a lot of points. Last year, that was kind of an issue in a lot of the games. We're always going to score. We have too many good offensive players to not score the ball. But we got to win games on the defensive end. Other teams, they all have great players too. We're going to win most of our games on the defensive end, and that'll lead to more offense.
Well, there's one freshman in particular, and that's Brian Taylor. He's a freshman who's been logging quite a few minutes in the 2 scrimmages we've had, and he's just college ready. He's physical, he's tough, and he has skills. And he seems to be the one who's really stepping forward and is going to be a contributing factor. The other guy who I think is going to be a big help to us is Big Mike, Iroquois. Those 2 guys should make immediate impacts when they're ready to play. Well, we played at Bridgewaters because they're local. I like to play NESCACs like Tufts and Wesleyan. I think those teams help prepare you, for your season. So we try to get as many of those teams as possible, and I'm sure we'll be ready for them.